Hey everybody, sorry for the lengthy delay. 11:37, 11 seconds, March 8th. This is the mini for the X-Men 100 and 101. As you can see from the screenshot I shared, random was down for quite some time. I was not able to do anything. Just came back up. Then I realized I forgot to check to make sure that everybody had paid. Rob, you didn't pay for your 2 spots, Rob Peak, but I'll vouch for you. I just want to get this done without any further delay. All right, so this is the mini number 1. First place gets the first 5 open spots in the main. Second place gets the next 2. All right, so here we go. Number is 15. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and here comes the final roll. 15, Mike Fazzini comes in first. Jason Caraway comes in second. Mike gets the first 5. Jason gets the next 2. Filled in order. Time is 11:38, 18.